this is what you do. You take a diaper and you put it down on the floor. You flip it around a little bit. Oh, face plant. Yeah, take another one. Fold it. Yeah, there's another one. Good job. Yeah, grunt a little bit. Mommy grunts when she's folding diapers. Sometimes. Yeah, good job. Yeah, fold another one. Nicely done, Thomas. What a good helper. What a good helper you are.